Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to today's video. I am so glad you decided to join me again today. I am so excited to share this little simple tip with you. I have kind of shared it in the past, but I wanted to share it a little bit differently this time about how to really just very simply make your own sticky note dashboard insert. And it's something that I feel like super easy and super important, but you can do it so easily on your own. I wanted to share with you how to do that. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the fun. And for those of you who are returning, thank you so much for joining me again today. I am so glad that the new year has allowed me to be back into YouTube a little bit better. So I'm so excited to share this with you all. All right, let's get started. Okay, so hint from, what was laying underneath my hands. If you do not know what this is already, this is a dashboard. Obviously, this dashboard is for the Happy Planner. If you are using a Happy Planner, you don't have to be using a Happy Planner to do this. If your planner, whatever planner type you have, has a dashboard, or even the inside of a planner, like this, a planner cover, you can easily do the same thing. So don't feel like you have to have a dashboard if you do not have a Happy Planner itself. But a lot of you have seen that I have made my own dashboard insert in the past for sticky notes, but I actually feel like there's a certain sweet spot for sticky notes that's not made by Happy Planner or really any of the planners themselves that come with the little sticky notes, and I really just kind of like the good old classic ones. So I believe I originally saw this on like Jen's plans or Julie's plans or something like that, but I don't remember. But I saw it on, I think, one of theirs, and I was like, oh gosh, I love sticky notes, and we use them, and these are more universal for like around the house and really kind of just whatever we need them to be. So I decided to take the opportunity to pick these up. I bought them on Amazon. They were like $12 or something. These were limited edition colors. Not that that really mattered so much to me, but I decided to pick them up, and I feel like they are the ideal sticky note size for your planner. They're not too big, they're not too small, they kind of just fit great. They're not sized specifically for any box, but they're really great for note taking, and they're also great for other types of planning and anything else that you might need to leave a note on. Maybe you need to leave it on fridge, maybe you need to, whatever it might be. They're really, 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 really great for that. So I feel like they were a huge, huge benefit to pick up. And I wanted to really kind of put these in my planner and have them accessible because I do use them so often. And I found that there's a lot on my desk and I use them all the time on my desk, but I kind of wanted to convert that into planner mode. So I thought that that would be a really awesome way to kind of add them and put them in here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and really get to the guts of it. But again, you will need either a dashboard of some nature that fits into whatever planner you have, sticky notes of choice, and glue dots or glue tape or something similar. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a couple colors of these. And I decided to use the 2020 dashboard because I was going to use it for my vision board, but it's a little too blingy for that, so I couldn't do it. It didn't end up working. And so I thought, well, this is a good choice too. So obviously I have the blue up in there, and I kind of want this pink color. Why does it matter, you ask? I don't really know. It doesn't really. Okay. So first I'm going to say that there's lots of different ways you can do it. You can size them, you can really like butt them up together and put them like, so there's like thickness. I'm probably actually only going to use, just so you can see size wise, of course this is sized for a classic Happy Planner. Your planner may be different, but you can, however you need to structure it to get as many on there as you want. I'm actually only going to use 2 because I want to pull off some of these little tiny sticky notes to add to it as well, just so I have a little bit extra for those times where I need a shorter sticky note. And I thought that these would be a great opportunity. So Obviously, if you have one of these that Happy Planner makes, I just pull them off from the back, either completely or you can just pull the last sticky note off so it all sticks together. And then what I'm going to do is, it's pretty I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory, but just take the back of your glue dots, and I would say put 4 to 5 glue dots on there. You want it to really get stuck down. And then let's see here. I'm going to kind of put it right there. And then you want to try to make it, here's how I feel about it. You want to try to make it as symmetrical as possible, because not necessarily for looks wise, but when you're putting these, since these are thicker, when you're putting them into your planner, they're going to take up a little bit more space because it's thicker. So you want it to be so it's at least even and the weight distributes evenly across it, and not so it's like, you know, separate. Ooh, my gosh, just throwing it around today. These little ones, you could probably just get away with one glue dot. Honestly, they're not that gluey. And of course, however you want to do it, you know, just kind of, man, these glue dots, just kind of play around with it, however it's going to work, or whatever you feel like is going to work better. And then that way you can, you know, just play it out as far as, jeez Louise. I can talk, I swear. Just play it out as far as like how you want them to look. That's more like aesthetic problems. First, jeez, I'm having difficulties, guys. All right, you know what? That last sticky note was causing me problems. Guys, I really can't do this. Whoop, there we go. I don't know why that one was such a problem. Did I do this one? Did I do this one already? I did. All right. That's what happens when you get distracted. I go through all my glue dots really quickly because I'm like rolling them up. But yeah, just play around with the design that you want to achieve as far as the look on your dashboard. And then of course it also matters what dashboard size you use, because some dashboards are bigger than others. Some are the really little skinny like bookmark ones. You could use those also. You know, depending on what kind of sticky notes you want to use and how you want to do it. This is just something I feel like so simple, and people feel like they need to buy the sticky notes for the planners, and you really, really just don't. You know, you can make do of them elsewhere. So this is an easy way to do it all on your own and not have to even worry about it from there. It's also great because you can switch out your sticky notes as much as you please. It's not going to hurt the back of them to have those glue dots on them or to rip the ones off that you don't need. I feel like it's a super easy thing to actually do. To just keep it back. And then once it's ready and once you're done with your dashboard, just flip it into your planner. This is one I did a while ago. It has paper and 3 sticky notes, but of course, like I said, I wanted one that had a little bit more to it as well. So I'm putting this in the very back of my planner. And whenever I know that I'm gonna need a bigger sticky note or to take another note, I'm just gonna grab one of these bad boys out. If I can get this in. It's very thick, this dashboard was. Very thick. It's from the Be Happy box, but whoop, whoop. Yeah, super thick. But yeah, whenever you know that you need a sticky note, you just pull it from the back and it's right there. And because we evened them out level, it made it super nice so the planner still closes well and doesn't have that like hard situation. So I hope that made sense to you. I hope you enjoy doing this for yourself. Again, I feel like it's a really simple, easy way to accomplish the goal of having better sticky notes inside your planner that might be maybe a little bit more efficient. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to join me on the next one. And for all of you out there, have a blessed rest of your day, night, whenever time of day you're watching this video. I cannot wait to see those of you who are going to go wild. Love you all. Bye.